In this video, I will guide you on how to set up FedEx delivery alert. First, open your preferred web browser. Now head over to FedEx official website. On the home page, locate the track option and select that. On this box, you want to enter your shipment tracking number or your tracking ID. Once you have entered it, tap on the track option. On the tracking page, look for the option to receive status update or delivery notification. From there, choose whether you'd like to receive alerts by text message, email, or both. Next, select the shipment update you want to be notified about, such as package exception, out for delivery, or delivery confirmation. After saving your preference, make sure your notifications are enabled. If you've chosen text message alert, verify that you have entered the correct phone number. Also ensure your device isn't in silent or do not disturb mode so you don't miss any notification. If you have a FedEx account, signing in before tracking your package can make it easier to manage your delivery notification preferences for future shipments. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.